Okay, oh, hello, my people. How na dey oh? This one na girl, Lady T. I don come again with my ogbonge talk. Know when me wan talk this time around? I wan talk about people wey dey talk say people wey don dey for Europe tey, say dem no dey like to help. Say dem no dey like to help people wey newly enter. Na that matter me wan address. If una dey talk say people wey don dey for Europe tey dem no dey like to help people wey newly come, una ask why dem no dey like to help. Una find out the reason why dem no dey like to, because when person dey do something, e get reason wey make am do wetin e dey do. So when una see things like that, make una ask questions why dem no dey like to help. No be say dem no dey like to help, so una no fit generalize am. You go say some of them, because no be all. Even some, despite wetin people don do them, e just dey their DNA say make dem dey help, dem still dey help. Even though say people go still treat them badly at the end of the good wey dem do, dem no still dey give up. Dem still dey help if dem still see person wey dey in need. People wey dey do that thing, I say make God bless them. And for me, my general advice be say, even though say you do good for people, people pay you back with bad, no mean say you no go do good to people again. You understand? Because you no go know the day wey be say you go do good to the right person. So no just take the because of that one say you no go do good to people again. But the issue wey me wan address, I wan tell these people some of the reasons wey you see say people no dey like to help, especially those ones wey newly dey enter, so why dem no dey like to help some of them. Number one, you go say you see person, na your country person, your skin color, e dey problem. Maybe e no get work, and you get work, you dey work. The person explain im problem to you because e get work problem. You come say okay, no worry, give me your CV. You take your CV, carry am go for where im dey work, go submit am, talk to the im boss. Before you know now, dem employ you. At least na good thing na that person don do so. Then you wey dem come employ, you go come reach there. The thing wey you go come dey do na how dem take pursue that person wey help you. How dem take pursue am comot for that place of work. Na that one na im go be the next thing wey you go dey plan. And you go dey do am, e go just dey obvious say yes, this person you wan make dem pursue am. You wicked oo. You be wicked person. This thing wey I dey talk so, me wey dey talk, e don happen to me. No be say I just dey talk am because of say I hear people talk am or dem don share their experiences with me. Yes, many share their own experiences, but for me too, I see am, e happen to me. I see one woman, she get pikin. Na Nigerian woman oo, like me oo. She tell me say, sister abeg, make I help her, say she dey find work and she get pikin. So the thing come touch my heart because of the pikin, because she na single mother. I come say okay, no problem. Say I go talk to my oga. Anything wey im tell me, I go let am. I come talk to my oga. He come gree. I come say okay, my sister, you know wetin? My hours go dey share am dey do. I come share the hours for her. At least can still share the money, we still dey okay with the salary. Na so I take bring this woman oo. She come dey work, we come dey share the days, dey work. The next thing, I no just know as e go take brainwash my oga, my boss. I no know wetin e tell am oo. I no just know the kind demon wey she just take hook the guy. Na the next thing, dem wan make me stop, make she just kukuma take over the full hours. I say okay, no problem. And me now, I be smart lady, I no be mumu. I don dey into the system tey. I say no problem. Now I tell the oga say wahala no dey oo. So now you wan stop me for what? For what reason? Then person wey me come bring, na him wan come give all my own hours to, abi? I say problem no dey. I say I go hand over you to the right authority. So if you say make I no come work again, I no go come again, but you go dey pay me my salary because you don't have any reason at all for wanting to stop me. and then you want to take somebody that I brought. I say no problem. I can't look this my Nigerian sister. I look am. I just smile. I just say this one na the reason wey make people no dey like to help. Wey be say go see some people, they go see black Nigerian person, they run for them. Na some of the reasons be this one. Now you call person come make e come chop, and the person at last e wan come comot the food for your own mouth. Imagine that. So tell me, how dem go take help again tomorrow? E go hard now. Then another one, you go see them. Shey all these Idare people wey cross from Libya come. Many of them, dem wicked. When they say dem wicked, they no get conscience oh. They no just get conscience at all. No be all of them oh. Some of them are wonderful. Some of them, they know wetin carry them come. But I tell you what, many of them, many are wicked. Whether na the torture wey dem go through that Libya route, maybe na im come turn their brain wey be say they come dey wicked like that, I no know. But for me, I believe say person wey go through that valley of shadow of death, as e don reach im destination, suppose dey humble, suppose get good mind, because he don see life, hard life for that Arab countries. But once they don enter this land of Europe, e be like say dem release demons for coven for Nigeria. They just transfer them come this Europe. Many of them, not all of them. Some of them are still wonderful. Some of them are good. You know, some of them have positive character. But unfortunately, many of them are bad. They are bad. They go tell you say dem pursue dem comot for camp. You go carry the person, the girl, go put am for house. As we say, at least na my country person now. You no know anybody for here. You no fit leave am for street, for inside cold, make e sleep. You go carry am put am, and when they come, you go come see them, they go dey humble. In short, they go even wan lick your leg sef, lick your hand sef, the way they go dey do. Whereas na green snake dem be oh. When they go come out from that place, bite you, you no go know wetin bite you. You come put them for her. Then you go wake up in the morning, you go work. You go work, the girl go dey house. You go think say you leave person for house. You go come turn your house to hotel. As e dey carry one, another one dey follow. Dey carry one, another one dey follow. If case not taken, e go come knock your own house, knock am for your own head. Na so different men na go dey carry, dey enter your house, come take dey hustle. Your house go come turn to hotel. Then you go dey work. And you know why most of them dey succeed? Because they know your movement. They know say, okay, if you comot for house in the morning, you go work. They know the time wey take dey close from work, wey you go take reach house. So before you go work, come back, they don chop clean mouth, pretend like say they no do anything. But one thing wey dem forget be say oyibo wey dey around, dem dey watch you, because you as a black skin, you dey very obvious. You know, among whites, maybe that area sef, maybe blacks no dey there. Na only una be the black wey dey stay for there. So as this person wey live for house, dey carry one, dey go, dey come, carry another one, dey go, dey come, my dear, they dey watch you. Then maybe one day your neighbor go call you, come tell you say, come, you know wetin dey happen. This person wey you put for house, na so different men dey come, dey carry am, dey go, dey come. And before you know, the one wey like you among your neighbors, na dem go call you, tell you. The ones wey no like you, they go just suffer, report you to give your landlord. And before you know, now e go come put you for problem. And by the time you come tell am say make you comot for your house, maybe because you don find out, e go come insult. If care is not taken sef, e go fight you before you go comot for your house. This one na dey tell you now wetin some of these people dey do. They go fight you on top of your own house. And then you go come dey wonder. No be person wey dey cry tell you say he need help the other day, no be this one. At the end of the day, he go come beat you for your own house. Some of them, when your bill go come, you go holla, because when you go don comot go work, they go on every electronics on and down, you know, you accumulate bills for you. Then you go come dey pay. Thank you no go dey, they go beat you on top when they dey comot. So tell me, next time that kind person, e see person wey dey in need, e go gree help again? You no go wan help. for me I know the advice say make person no dey help but only thing wey me dey talk say before una dey judge say people wey don dey for Europe dem no dey like to help, make una find out why dem no dey like to help. Na because of wetin some of these people dey do, so fear no go let some of them wan help again. Me I know of a woman, person wey me know, she dey work carry im own person, im country person. This one dey talk to Africans I'm not only talking to Nigerians, this one na Ghanaian sef. Im own country person carry am say come my sister, since you no get work, come make me and you come dey work together for this place, at least make we dey share the money together. The woman travel, say okay you just replace me, just do, you no understand, e come do am. When the woman come back from travel, na sack letter na im dey carry wait for am. Im own friend when im carry go say okay come work, na that person na im dey come employ, na im come dey work for them. Person wey you call say come chop, e come brainwash the boss, say that woman wey carry am come, say the woman no good, come spoil the woman give the person. When e don spoil am finish, okay since you come say you good now, she come dey talk the things wey be say she go do more extra, do this one, do that one, wey that woman according to the contract wey the woman get, e no dey inside. Come talk am so that make dem for stop that woman. This one come take over. Then tell me, that woman, if e see person wey dey in need tomorrow, e go gree help? E no go wan help now. So before una dey talk say people wey dey here dem no dey like to help, make una find out why dem no dey like to help before una go dey broadcast and dey go say people wey dey here say Europe dem no dey like to help people. But for my brothers and sisters wey be say una don render help give people, wey be say dem pay una badly, I dey sorry. The only thing wey I go beg una for be say make una no let am pain una too much. Everybody no fit be the same thing. You no fit talk say because of say some people dem dey wicked, they don't behave like that. You come see people tomorrow say dem really good dem dey in need, fear no go come let you help them again. So no let because of bad person make you no come help other people again. But if you must help, be careful. Find out who the person be. Find out who the person be before you help am. Find out whether na good person before you open your door put am for house. Know whether na better person before you go carry am go the place where you dey work. Find out well if you must help next time. And for una wey newly come, abeg, if una wan make life better for una for this Europe wey una come, make una change that bad character wey una get. Some of them they are wonderful, they are very good, they are very educated, they behave like normal human being. But as I said before, many of them dey wicked. Dem dey wicked. Their mind no good, their mind very evil. The thing wey me would wan tell una say make una change. Because otherwise, because of una bad character, because of una wicked character, una no go wan make people dey help other people again next time. And e no good. So for those wey be say una don do help for, then take back take repay una, abeg make una no vex, make una let go. Shey you understand me so? Because otherwise, if you can't generalize everybody say you no wan help again, you no go know the day wey angel go pass you wey you supposed to help because of some yeye people wey be say they no even deserve help, wey be say you can't render help for. So my people, if una know say this video e make sense to una, make una still share, make other people too still learn from am. So make una get nice day. Bye.